In this video, I will show you how to make Instagram story a photo with music. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is to tap on our story right here and then pick a picture that we want to story. Let's say here. Now, all we have to do to tap or add a story to this picture is to click on this music icon right here. And then let's say I want to add this music right here. I can choose whether I want to add only music or I can add an album in the photo that I have chosen. So let's say I want to add this right here, the album right here. Now, in order for this to not be seen at all, I can just zoom it out and hide it on the corner. Only the music is being heard in the story right here, and the album is now kept hidden. The easy way to do this is to tap on this music icon and then switch on music only. So the next thing we're going to do is to share it to our story. And that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps you reach more people. See you soon.